Hello, Shemmy Blocks. Today we are playing Bed Wars, but no forging points. Ready, Nini?
Yeah.
Okay, Nini is ready. We're going to do this. We need to forge, right? But now we don't. Nini, join your team. Be red. Be red. Be red. Red is good. Be red.
Orange.
I'm just gonna put you to red, okay?
Wait. Shimmy?
Are you on red team?
Yeah.
Let me disable all kits, alright? So, let's disable the kits. Give me a sec. No, now we just have to oof. Oh, okay, now we are definitely ready. Okay, now as you can see, we're regular Shemmy Blocks, alright? Which I know that I have the drip of. Nini, can you stop, please? Okay, so in order to activate this no forging points with Lucky Blocks combination, we're going to go to host panel. We're going to scroll down till you see forging and match levels. And then you're going to, instead of making it on, you're going to click it on off. So now the forge point thing is gone, whatever they called it. And now, Nini, look in the shop. Now, yes. Every good weapon, like the headhunter, for example, costs emeralds. So we're gonna have to go and take a trip to diamonds. And you know the catch. I'ma just spawn. Let's spawn some iron F. Okay, now we have infinite iron, which we can obviously use against Nini. So let's buy. We need to come and stack up. Oh, I have iron armor, but I need emeralds, man. Oh, you say I bet one of these OP weapons are needed for emeralds. Oh my
Look
god.
what I said.
What did you say?
Look at my screen.
This guy. Oh my god. What the what, Nini? Why do you have a bunch of hashtags? Oh my god, I want the headhunter, but I guess we just have to go with a bow. Now let's spawn some arrows so I can shoot the bow. And now we just have to get some blocks. Okay, now let's bridge over to the diamonds. Because as we know, if we bridge over to the diamonds, and then we can upgrade our tier 3 generator. Yeah, team generator. And it also works for the emeralds, so the emeralds will spawn quicker. By the way, let's make a bed defense. Right there. Boom. 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 Alright, now let's go. And let's go and bridge all the way to the diamond. Diamond Guardians have appeared. I'm not going to deal with those annoying diamond guardians. It's going to get what I deserve, man. Whoa! I have to chill, man. There's Lucky Blocks, I forgot. Wait, one just spawned right on my bridge. That was convenient. I'll catch that later. Where's the diamond? Okay, the diamonds are right over there. Do I have the god bridge? No, I'm not doing that over the void. Oh, hell no. There's no way I'm doing that over the void, man. I'm the best. Hi, what's goody? Don't worry, we could do this the nice way, alright? We don't have to do this. A huge lucky block? Well, I'm gonna go and get those, because those give us rage blades. Oh, I just got chickens, man. Oh, that's good against Nini. Oh, good thing Nini is a bridger. A huge lucky block. Alright, let's go and get that. Man, we need that. Oh my gosh. We need that. We need that. Oh my god. Did I seriously jump off? What? Am I a coward?
You don't see that.
I'm I'ma say it, Nini. I'ma say it, alright? I'm a coward. Keep it on. Now I have to spawn my infinite iron. I'm not going to use the commands to get infinite emeralds. That's just way too much cheating. Even Nini needs to go and bridge over and get infinite emeralds. Oh, I already have it. Nini, let me purchase all my arrows again. I'm gonna go and fight you after this. But at least we can get to the huge lucky. Hey, I forgot I need blocks. Yeah? At least we can get to the huge lucky blocks first.
Look!
What? Oh, you have this. Nini has this effect on her screen. I don't know what it's called. A huge lucky block, and it's spawned right on my. Why the hell am I using this stupid pick? What? Why am I still mining?
Shimmy,
I have to get a better pick. Yeah?
this.
You think I'm anywhere near you, Nini? Why am I still doing this? Okay. Alright. Did we get a rage blade? Oh yes, we got void armor and a full set of it. And then we got a rage blade, a speed pie and a force fit. Okay. We are rich. Let's go. Shemmy blocks on top. Let's keep on going now. Rage blade does 75 damage. Okay, now let's go and get some diamonds from the Diamond Guardian again.
What?
Oh, hi, what's goody? What? Ah! Oh my god, I'm sick and tired of you. What the what is wrong with this Diamond Guardian, man? Oh, those things. How many diamonds did we get? We got 8. Okay, not so bad. Okay, 8 diamonds isn't so bad. Let's go back to base, mate.
Shimmy, can you give me?
Okay, can we upgrade our our generator now? Alright, here. 4 diamonds. Oh, now for the next one I need 8 diamonds. Let's go to that diamond place.
I don't mind.
Nini, you're not getting any diamonds. I'm just focusing on diamonds. Let me go and get the emeralds now. Oh my god. Okay. Nini, what's that sound? What are you doing, Nini? What was that? I saw some sort of thing coming for your base. Nini, you're sus.
Yeah, I'm a like wolf.
Oh, she got the wolf thing. Yeah, it's fine. No. Mm-mm. No, do your video, Bobby. And this is a tier 2 gen, man. Oh my god. It's not spawning. Let me go and get the other emeralds. No! Wait, what? I fell to a gap. Okay. Nini, you didn't see anything, alright? Oh my gosh. Oh, Nini, I see you over there. I'm going to get all the diamonds and emeralds. You guys see Nini's base right there? Oh, you think I can't? Okay. Alright. Maybe she wasn't lying about having TNT base. Let's go bridge over to her. Nini, are you stacked? You better find out, because I'm going to beat you.
Watch this. Watch this.
Oh no, she has the wizard staff. Oi! No. Oh, thank God. Nini, you have to be fighting. This is Bed Wars.
I lost the stuff. Should I look at the tail? I lost the tail thing.
Oh, sorry. You have to get it from a lucky block again. Oh no. We have to kill her right now. We have to oof her. Oh my god. There's no way I'm staying here. Bye, Nini. There's no way I'm staying here, man. I have to build up out of blocks. Oh no, 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 no. Bye bye, Nini, Toto. Wait. Hurry up. Oh my god. Thank the Lord's mercy. I need more blocks, yo. Ah, Nini died. Look at this dude, man. Yo, dude. Oh my god, food lucky blocks. I hope they have a speed pad for me right there. I need a speed pad.
I'm coming to make you start the door.
Nini, me and Shemi blocks are bridging. Oh my god. We have to oof this Diamond Guardian. God, these Diamond Guardians are so annoying. I wish they weren't even here. In old Bed Wars, they weren't here. But in new Bed Wars, kind of funny. It makes it challenge. Alright, Nini, what are you doing? Oh, Nini, wait. I have a present for you. Oh, you want to come? I have a present for you. I have a nice welcoming present for you. It's not a present. Nini, it's a present. Just stand there. Wait. Yeah, stand right there. Stand right there. Don't move. Take that, Nini. Oh, no. Do not let her get those lucky blocks. There's no way I'm late. What? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, they're so annoying. Nini, stop. Chill, alright? Chill. I'm on 71 HP. She doesn't have any more chickens. Nini, I dare you to cross that bridge. See what happens. Nini, I dare you to cross that bridge. Finally, some actual diamonds, man. Well, bye-bye. Ta-ta, Nini. Alright. Nini, we're back at base. So me and Shemi Blocks are now going to come and see if we could upgrade. Because we got 7 diamonds. I have a tier 1 gen still. Oh my god, we need the emeralds, man. Alright, we have more than 8 diamonds. 16! Oh my god, we need a tier 3 diamond gen. Can we snipe me? Oh, so good. Oh! God, shoot her, man. Oh, I can't even see anything though. Kind of hard to do. Ah, you fell in the void. Look at her. She just fell in the void in front of my face, man. Yeah. Nini, I can't. What the heck? Yeah, oh, okay. I don't want those Diamond Guardians coming. A tier 4. Oh, nice. Oh, purple lucky blocks. I need those. Okay. Let's go back home. go back home. Let's teleport. Okay, we're back at home now. Our base. Nini, just so you know, you have to wait till I'm ready. Let's get emerald. Okay, we now have a tier 3 gen. Means we can finally upgrade and get more better stuff. Alright. Nini, just so you know, I'm coming for you. Oh, we need more emeralds. Wait, since we do have emeralds, let's try some teleports. Alright, now we don't have enough. I can't just spawn teleports in. Spawn teleport. Okay, now I have infinite teleports. Alright, let's go. Nini, what you doing? Nini, what you doing? Oh, we have some more boots. Oh, the Titan has spawned. Let's see if we can oof it. Oh my god! What? It hit me so far. Stand back, stand back, stand back.
Baby, look what I have.
Stand back. Oh my gosh, what kind of knockback do I have? Nini, I'm going to come and get enchantments after this. Oh my god, this Titan is so annoying. Oh my god. Oof it, oof it. Man, just oof. Oh my god. Man, just oof. I don't care about the Diamond Guardians. Look at this dude. Or you can fight shimmy blocks. Let's see who's down now. Let's go. Nini, trust me, you're gonna oof. Alright, now we have 12 emeralds, so let's teleport to diamonds. Oh, hey, buddy. No, the Rage Blade is too powerful. Oh my god.
Oh my god,
whoa! Oh my god, man. How did I oof? How? What does it say that I was oofed by Nini the best? Nini! It's so annoying. Alright, do we have enough for the headhunter? Oh my god. Oh my god, no. I'm breaking Nini's bed and me only. Nini, your bread might break, so whatever you do, don't fall into the void because I want to oof you, okay? Please do it. Wait, let me see, can I control the death? Wait, is that it? Nini, trust me, you're going down. Do you want to give up already?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm mining all these lucky blocks.
You're not giving up? Oh, like I say, Nini's always just being rude. Just whatever you do, don't fall into the void, okay? Oh my god, Nini. I just said don't fall into the void. If you fall into the void again, then you're actually gonna do. No, oh, the tier 5. Wait, how is there a tier 5 gen? Oh, I need enough for the headhunter. Hurry up. Oh. Nini, now I'm going to go to the other gen because I need some for a good enchantment. Thank you. Right. Now let's teleport back to base. Okay, we're back at base now. And now let's open the lucky blocks that we have.
Mimi,
Yeah?
I can't take out my. I can't take out my broken block.
You can't take out your lucky block?
No,
What, man?
I can't take out this red block.
Oh, because you have to switch something with it. Okay, now let's come and mine. Oh, did I just get some diamonds? W. Oh, no, look at that. Bugatti. I do not know how to stay here. Oh, claw. Oh, I have 22. Yes, I could purchase the headhunter. Yes. What's the effect, man?
Let me.
Yes, what would you like? Oh my god, I need more emeralds. Oh. Yes, what would you like, Nini? I'm not risking. Yeah, what do you want?
I'm mining the big lucky block.
You're mining the big lucky block.
There.
Ah! My teleports. Because my mouse isn't working, man. Okay, you're mining the big. Did you? Ooh! Man, Nini, so I did all that for nothing. Oh my god. Guys, if you really enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more, then click on the notifications. I beg you. Bye guys. Miss you every time.